In Sherman's march to the sea, they were destroying all the infrastructure. Anything the Confederates could make and build, he burnt and destroyed. This was during the American Civil War. When Sherman got to Tryon, Georgia, there was a mill there, and it was a big spinning and weaving mill, and they were weaving fabrics. And he hesitated on destroying this mill. And he saw I believe it was a Mason symbol, and discovered that the guy running the mill was also a Mason, and so they had something in common. And he shut the mill down, but it was the only mill he didn't destroy on his march to the sea. And this mill is named Mount Vernon. And Mount Vernon Mills is still, to this day, the last denim weaver in America. Think about that for a second. A mill that survived the American Civil War is the last weaver of denim, of jean, in America. They have kept the art of indigo dyeing and weaving alive, and I've been to this mill many times. And this mill is who weaves our denim, and this mill is who's weaving this heritage blue jean that I'm wearing right now. And this is 100% cotton heritage blue jean. Straight cut, it's freaking phenomenal. It looks so good. And this is the jean that I've talked about on this vlog, offering for sub $90. We should be selling it for over $130, but we're just looking at the market opportunity and bringing a really high quality product to life, so every American man can afford to get into jeans built by freedom. And we've been doing everything we can to help this mill, Mount Vernon Mills, thrive. They're weaving for us not only our blue jean material, our heritage cotton, our Delta denim, and our Maverick or factory work denim. They're also weaving our Moab canvas, which is what I'm wearing right now. This is also coming out this fall. So it's pretty awesome. You know, we've worked on this cotton product for about a year now. And to see it realized, it's always awesome from a designer perspective, from a product person perspective. I love product. To realize an idea from a fabric swatch, from an idea to a fabric swatch to a finished product. I'm stoked to see how the world responds to this 100% made in America without compromise, field to finish, fiber to fabric, dirt to shirt. I got to come up with another one for denim. But how the world responds to this, and at that price point, because I just think it's such a tremendous price point for the build quality, the time and materials that went into it, and it'll be successful with scale as we scale. So it's pretty exciting to realize that. There's nothing more fulfilling than realizing something that has been in your head, manifesting that into a physical product, and then the consumer not only accepting it but loving that thing. It's such a good feeling to bring something new to the world. And it's crazy because we're bringing something that's old to the world. We're just making it new again. And this denim is actually, it's even heavier than our work denim. So it's I don't even know the ounces. I don't know if it's 10 or 11 ounces, but it's heavy and super comfortable. and it's a structured bottom. There's no stretch. It's just old school cotton. I mean, this is the type of product that they were wearing during the gold rush, during the westward expansion. Like this is the type of product that folks, middle class folks, world builders, community builders, nation builders have been wearing for hundreds of years, and that's why we're calling it heritage, because there's so much rich heritage, and the cotton was grown on hollowed ground. I mean, that's the soil of America is hollowed ground. So the cotton was grown in the same places it's always been grown, and it's just a tremendous feeling to bring it to life. So we'll see how the community accepts it. I think it's going to be good. I was looking at it with like a Statesman Chelsea boot, and it's like, wow, I can go out to dinner in this. You can go to church in this thing like that. You throw on a mock toe boot, and you can go work a construction site, right? One of our mock toe boots. You throw on an Ironside Chelsea boot, and all of a sudden you've got an in-between weekend warrior. I mean, stylish and ready for work, and soon, you throw on a cap toe boot and you're ready for the office, or a sneaker and you're ready just to chill and hang with the boys. So a lot of versatility in a blue jean, a lot of versatility in this blue jean, the way that we're building it. So I'm gonna go show the team this blue jean, but I'm gonna show you first. All right, check this out. All right, so check this out. This is that heritage jean. You can see what's cool about it is, number one, it freaking looks great. So it's just rinsed. We're pre-shrinking it because I want an out-of-the-box fit. I don't want people to get the jean and then be like, oh, is it going to shrink? Is it going to fit me? So it's the way you put it on out of the box is the way it's always going to fit. As long as you don't wash it on hot, because that'll naturally make cotton retract. But you can see it's got like this straight out seam, which is a really classic look. If you look at old vintage photos of iron workers on high rises or farmers, they have a straight out seam, and the reason there's a straight out seam is because they tried to get the best cut of fabric, and so they aligned the panels with the edge of the fabric, the self edge of the fabric. That's actually where the word selvage came from. It's the self edge, because denim used to be woven on shuttle looms. A shuttle would go back and forth, and it would have this kind of continuous thread that would lock in the ends, and it was a self edge. And so then they started lining the panels up with the edge of the fabric, and that was self edge. This isn't selvage denim. It's not self edge denim, but it is a straight cut the way we're cutting the garment. So it has that super classy, classic look, right? I don't know how to explain it. It's just phenomenal. And see how clean it is with the Statesman Chelsea boots. Of course, this Moab jacket, which is something I'm very bullish on here for this fall. All right. Let's, this is old New England right here. Old New England. We're gonna go in. We're gonna see what's happening with the team, how they're feeling about the launch this week. Morning! What up? We're gonna launch these things or what?
No. I've already sold about a week.
In a week?
Hopefully, we'll see.
Yeah?
We gotta get a good land date, which we don't have. So we can't communicate to the customer right now. Are they gonna get them in November? Are they gonna get them
the jackets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't know when
So
they're
we need a
Right.
landing
The
date.
ETA.
But we have an ETA on 100% cotton jeans,
Yeah.
which I'm wearing right now. Friday?
Yep.
Well, I told everybody Wednesday.
There's a calendar.
You're killing me, Smalls.
Yes, let me go dig up everybody's information, and nobody send me a product brief or a marketing brief or a creative brief. Let me go hunt for everything.
Marketing brief.
Yeah, no, I know. I just got access to it this morning. Okay, so I take it back. We're not getting cotton jeans on Wednesday. We're getting them on Friday. This video.
You're fine. We'll probably do insiders
On Wednesday?
Like insiders.
I thought it was the 17th that this thing's launching.
19th.
19th.
So originally the 19th was remember when I stood in front of the whole group, I was like, there's one date I want you to burn into all of your brains. September 19th we launch fall.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
Oh, we're not launching fall, September 19th.
Apparently I didn't burn it into my brain. Hey, Chica.
Hi. Phil,
Yes.
would it be too disruptive to Media's Day if I did the tent sale Friday and Saturday 10 to 4?
You're saying the tent sale was going on?
Going on while we were there?
10 to 4.
No.
You remember last year? Were you there?
We
Yeah.
just didn't have parking.
No, we didn't have parking.
That was.
No.
I mean,
Do
that's
you
fine.
remember the traffic to
yeah.
Tractor Supply and the other way, and that's okay for you? Hundreds of people?
What dates?
I don't know, 17 and 18, I
Backup,
think.
there
Of
are
what?
some backup plans. Like,
October?
It's that crazy.
I think
October.
during the day on Friday.
October 17th and 18th.
I don't know
tent
if
sale.
that's true. I'm just making it up.
Yeah.
My
No idea, I don't
my backup
remember.
Plan just for staff.
What?
My backup plan just for staff.
She hates
I know
this.
I know the guy that owns.
She hates the vlog,
Oh,
but
that's a good idea.
she does watch it. I discovered
Right.
she's a
Because I got permission.
she's
from him
a
to
secret
use
voyeur of
Right.
the
So,
vlog.
just have the team park back there.
Right.
That's a fact, Jack. A secret voyeur of the vlog. My wife.
Like, we can
Now
We can
I
park on
know.
that S.
So, Heritage Cotton Jean, we're also looking to, it's tentative yet. I'll give you guys a thumbs up, or what I'll send you and Leo just a thumbs up if this goes. We're looking to restock the Maverick. So they're in the line. They're coming. They're imminent. So we were looking to potentially pull that date forward a little bit so we could have a full denim moment this Friday. So it's Maverick jacket, Heritage Cotton Jean. That's the tentative plan. Again, I'll send you just a thumbs up or a thumbs down emoji. So that's this week. Now next week, along those same vein, we're looking at doing the same thing for the Moab jacket. So it is also in the line. It's actually kind of behind the Maverick, but we're going to be working with ops this week to get a good date on when we feel like we can let the customer know when to expect it. So the Maverick, we feel very, very confident on. We can give them a good date. It should be no factor. The Moab one, we don't have that yet.
All right, we're gonna shoot a quick ad spot here for the blue jeans. These are the cotton jeans launching this week. Sexy, sexy, sexy. I'm excited about this. So we're just gonna shoot some like why content. Why? Why are we making a cotton jean? Why at this price point? Why do we invest in trying to make this shit happen? So I'm gonna do the why video, and then Phil is gonna do the which jeans for you video, which talks about each of the different jean product we offer. Good? Where are you gonna put me? Like this? Okay, all right. I just found out we're also gonna release the the Maverick. We're gonna release the Maverick denim jacket this week as a pre-order, and it won't be delivered till middle of October, so it'll be like a 3-week delay, but they're on the line right now. So we're gonna expedite that, and so I think we're gonna launch the cotton jean and Maverick around the same time frame. The cotton jean's gonna get its own moment, Gabe, or?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we'll be focused on the jeans first, but the Maverick will
Okay.
go live.
Let's shut that radio off, yeah. Hey, we're gonna shut the radio off for just a minute so I can record some stuff. These are my notes.
Yeah, but I should probably print them for you because
No, you're good.
my handwriting sucks. And also, I want you to,
My notes. See that? Go ahead.
I want you to like be you.
Yeah.
Just take those into consideration. I don't need you to like say them all, but it's
Yeah.
really like the things we talked about, right? It's been a long time since we launched a brand new pair of jeans for
Okay.
Origin.
Yeah.
And this one's significant because both from customer feedback and for our like natural story from like the farmers and the cotton all the way to the factory.
Okay.
100% cotton.
Let me know when you're ready, Justin. How long does this need to be? It's like a minute hitter or just whatever I want?
Whatever you want, but like short.
Yeah.
Short.
Yeah, like a minute-ish.
A minute?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, it's been 7 years since we've launched a new denim product, and you guessed it, this is it. Man, a 100% cotton jean made in America without compromise, with cotton from Texas and the Tennessee Delta region, open end, 12 ounce. This was an idea, and we talked about it about a year ago, bringing this to market. And can we do it? And can we bring the American man, the American worker, a blue jean, sub $100? That's 100% cotton. I actually didn't know if it was possible. First thing I did was I talked to our mill, Mount Vernon, and I said, is this possible? And they said, I don't know. I said, well, I need you to make it possible. So we had to source the cotton, we had to weave the fabric, make the denim, cut and sew in our factory in North Carolina, and it is durable. This is like old school heritage cotton, and that's why we're calling it the Heritage Denim Blue Jean, because this is the denim that so many generations of Americans used to build New England and this nation, and we're bringing it back home. We're bringing denim back home in a major way. I'm super stoked to bring to life the Heritage Cotton Jean, 88 bucks. I hope we don't kick ourselves in the ass for doing this. 88 bucks, I can't believe it. Phenomenal. This is it. Exciting times here at Origin. Again, first time we released a new denim product in 7 years. They're gonna go quick. Go get some. Want to do another one? In the United States, we refer to cotton as cotton is king. Why? Because American soil and the growing seasons produce the best, the finest cotton in the world. And a lot of people don't know this. The most of the cotton that's grown in America is sent overseas. A huge percentage of it, it's over 75%, gets exported. And one of our missions at Origin is to keep as much American grown cotton in America as possible. And the quality you can't beat. You can't beat American cotton. And I know that when you follow the box, when you receive your Heritage Cotton jeans, if you were to chase the box back to the source, you're gonna end up in a field talking to a farmer. And that's what I mean when I say farm to factory. When I say dirt to shirt, field to finish, fiber to fabric, every dollar that's spent goes back into the American supply chain without compromise. Super proud to bring this to life. Our Heritage Cotton Jean. Go get it. Good?
Nice.
Good? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Today was all about blue jeans. So help me get the word out, because I want everybody ditching their Levi's and Wrangler jeans, which used to be made by freedom and are now made by communism, to trade them out for jeans built by freedom. And at 88 bucks, this should be very possible for us to get the word out. So that's your job. Help me, help you, help us take back the fabric of freedom.